lost boys. Shout out to all my lost boys. We are rowdy. Shout out to all my lost boys.
So this is the Karnotech REMAX 2-in-1 Lightning and micro USB cable for iPhone and Android phones. This also comes with the USB-A on the other side, so you can plug it in either way and not have to worry about it. Now on the box it says this has fast charging, fast sync, and is a very durable product. I have yet to test this out, and let's see what this looks like. So inside you have a flat cord, and like I said, on the one side you have the USB-A with these very pesky covers that don't want to come off. And if you look very carefully, you can see the white is in the middle, so you can actually plug this in any other way. I'll show you this in a bit. Then also on the other side you have your lightning cable for your Apple devices. Also, if you pull that out, you also have a micro USB cable for charging everything else, and this stays nice on the cord so you don't lose it. Here I have just a very simple USB wall plug. If I take the USB part of it and I take this side, I can go ahead and plug it in and it works fine. Now, the cool thing is though, you can actually pull it out and turn it to the other side, put it in as well. Just like the lightning cables from Apple, it works with both ends, making your life just a little bit easier. This cord measures in at 3.3 feet and is made of a high quality PVC material. It is also a flat cable, so it is virtually tangle free. I've taken it and put it in my pockets a few times now and pulled it out and it came out just fine. Now, to change from Lightning to the Android / micro USB, all you have to do is go in there, pull it down, and pop out. And you now have micro USB.